Hi everybody, it's Joe Jurek and welcome back to Joe Jurek's Real Estate Investing Adventures. How you doing today? I'm once again in Lahaina Harbor in Maui, Hawaii. What a gorgeous day. What I want to tell you is this: some people have different power team members they work with, and those power team members, they're just not really focused or committed to the real estate investor. I hope your power team is committed to you, okay? If you're a realtor, your contractors, your property manager, there's a lot of really good ones out there and a lot of really good ones that want to help you succeed with real estate. But if you feel they're not the right fit, or maybe you outgrew them, look for others or explain to them what you need, give them a shot, and see if they can deliver on what you need to get to that next level. So often people get comfortable, okay? And part of the problem of getting comfortable, you can't grow. And if you want to grow your real estate business, you have to have the right power team out there helping you. You have to have the right people that, care about helping you build your business just as much as they want to build theirs. So get out there, make your dreams a reality, come to Maui and have a great time, and believe and achieve. Take care. Bye-bye.